Here we have yam. This is the yam here. This yam, we planted them, but this is what came out. These are the leaves of yam. There is some tribes outside there, like the coastal people. They eat the leaves of yam. I don't know. Maybe you can leave a sweet comment if you have ever eaten yam before. So, like here, see, here, like it was left here. This is yam. It is eaten. It's very sweet. You can have them for breakfast, like when you have them, when you planted them, or when you buy them from the supermarket or from the market. Yeah. So like I told you earlier, we have the sacks. But we have transferred them. We have to uproot this old skuma wiki, this old one, and we are going to plant the new one. See, that's why we are putting the ram soil here. It is very fine for planting. What we'll do, we are going to replace it here. So that's why we are putting the soil here, the ram soil, and then we are going to uproot this one here. These are the old sacks that I told you that you have not to throw them away. You can use them somewhere. They can help you somewhere, maybe. That's what I can say. Yeah.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
So let's go inside as per today. But then today I don't have someone to hold for me the camera. That's why you are seeing me holding it. And this is our small road here. You see our small road up to there. This is the village. We can go up to the other side and then go to town following this small road here. So here also we have corn. It's almost like in December it's going to be ready. Like that's what I can say. But then let's go inside. So yo, this is the door here. This is the door here. You can see the door. The finishing has not been done. That's why you are seeing me bring you inside. This is the window here. the window, it has, you have to put some timber so that it will be strong when you are going to fix the window. So let's move to, as usual, this is the bedroom here. Also, we have a window there. So the iron sheet, we have put the iron sheet today. You can see from the start of the video, we have put like the iron sheet on top, and this is the left timber, the pieces of timber. That's why I left it there. This is the sitting room. This is the sitting room. It's up to that side where that bucket is. You know, when people are bathing, it's very dirty all over. That's why you can see it like this. This is disorganized. So we have here, we have this is the jerry cans. The jerry cans, they have some water here. Jerry cans here, some water, because we need to spray the water so that if you build a house, you need to spray the water so that it will continue being strong. That's why you see the water is here. At least we have come from far since we started building. Thank you always for those ones who have come to support me since we started the foundation. Otherwise, you have come, you watch the video, you say thank you, you say like there, you have gone that far. So I can say thank you so much for coming to watch, always to support me. I really appreciate the love. That's what I can say. So this is another bedroom. It's another bedroom. You can see from here, this side up to that side. That is the bedroom. That's the bedroom up to that corner there. And then we go to the other side. That is it. It's very simple here. And it has iron sheet on top. Like now, iron sheet, like buying iron sheet here at our town, we usually buy this one's like $10 and seven, huh? 1,700. That's how much it costs the iron sheet. So this is it here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like outside there. I know you have amazing friends. Share the video if you can. Consider subscribing. Continue subscribing. We are heading to the 1,500 subscribers. We are heading otherwise to 2,000 and more than that. I really appreciate. If you have not subscribed, go click that like button and subscribe. That's what I can say. So I can say, let me put the camera in front so that we can see how much it has gone. That's why I say like today I don't have someone who is going to hold the camera for me. So that's why I don't have a camera. I'm using a phone. You may think that I'm saying a camera, but I'm using a phone. That's how I use it like this. So let's see how it is. So this is the village life. Very simple, and affordable prices. If you want to build, maybe you have to, according to your money, if you want to put a foundation, a small house like this one here, and affordable prices. But if then that you want to make a bigger one, maybe you can, if you have money that you can manage. That's why I can say that you can do it on your own way. This is the village life, otherwise. So this is the roof. This is the roof. The roof. That's how it is. But it has not been finished. Even the floor, we have not put even the floor. That's how it is like this. We haven't done the finishing. We have not done the finishing. That's why it is like this. So it's another day, because today it was only the roof that we were doing the roof. So you can leave a comment, and you can leave a comment. That's the door, the main door. This is the window here. So I can't put on afterwards. I've shown you all over what is going on inside here. These are the bricks that were left. There's some side that they want to fix them. That's why they have left them there. But I think they are supposed to be inside the house. So you should be very careful when you are walking here. They are equipped with those one. We are supposed to put this one to levelize here, because someone, maybe you can sit here in later hours if you want to relax. That is it. So thank you so much. Thank you for coming always to support me. I really appreciate the love that you usually show me, guys. We continue watching until the end. Yeah. So we are going to my late parents' home. We are going there. You have put this one here because of the water, maybe to make them like steps. So that is it. Even this fence here, this from the iron shed, old iron shed. This a gate here. You may see that it's a door, but then you put it like so. There's this old iron shed. You have like used them to fence. So you have another gate here. Another gate here. Gonna open it. So like that's my real parents' home. These cows are not ours. They're not ours. Someone asked us to come and grace them here. That's why you see them here. Otherwise, they are not ours. You can leave a sweet comment if you have ever given someone free, just like to graze. They cannot take them in the evening, like yeah. And this is our fence here. Like we used a wire to put a wire here, but then we planted the other flowers here, like our fence. When they grow up, I think the fence is going to be strong. That's why you see them like this. Yeah, thank you so much actually. So what can we say? It's an evening and I welcome everyone. Otherwise, thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for coming to support me. I really appreciate the love that you always say, show me. So I may end up this video here. It was a small brief as to how we have gone far with the building. Otherwise, today we were doing the putting on the iron sheets. That's why you see that I was showing you around. Otherwise, may we end up this video here. God bless you wherever you are outside there. Let's continue praying to each other. Otherwise, God is really working. Without God, we cannot do anything. Otherwise, finishing an hour, finishing a minute is like finishing a day or a year. Like so, let's be in confident. The way you wake up, be strong always. Continue supporting me. All your support is my strength always here. I'm just trying uploading videos here from the village. Otherwise, if I may start going out, maybe I will just brief you out. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Ciao, ciao, bye bye. I may end up this video here. Bye bye.